Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Among Us Live Wallpapers for your iPhone so you're able to have the Among Us Live wallpaper on your lock screen. It's actually really easy and simple to do, and it just takes a couple minutes. But before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys I do have lots of videos similar to this on my channel where I show you guys how to customize your iPhones in lots of different ways, all the way from creating custom charging sounds to making cool wallpapers like I have here with this tear effect. So be sure to go check out the channel if you guys are interested in that kind of content. I'd also really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing as I'm on my road to 10,000 subscribers. Anyhow, let's get right into this video. So for this, all you have to do is go over to TikTok. If you guys don't have TikTok, just go ahead to your app store and download it. It just takes a couple seconds. But you just want to go over to TikTok and you want to navigate over to this page called Among Us LW and just search for that. And then you'll see this page right here with 36,000 followers at this current time. And once you guys are on this page here, you guys will notice there's lots of different wallpapers that you guys can choose from. So basically, all you have to do is find any wallpaper that you like and then click on it. Once you're on here, you guys can just click on the share button right at the bottom right of the screen. And then you should see an option for live photo here. If some of them don't have live photo, just keep swiping through. Majority of them do, but some of them don't for some reason. So just find one that you're able to download by clicking on live photo once you find one. But you just want to click on it, and then it will convert the wallpaper to a live photo so we can add it as a wallpaper. Once that's done, we can exit out of here and go over to our settings and open that up. Once we're in settings, we just want to find where it says wallpaper right here, and then click on choose new wallpaper. Scroll down to your live photos, click on that, and then you will see your wallpaper right here. If you want to check it out before you put it on, just long press on it, and then it will start to play it. So it's very, very easy. You could also zoom in and zoom out as well to make it fit your phone the best. And then just click on set when you're done, set as lock screen, and then you guys are good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get these wallpapers on your iPhone. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.